Welcome to Global Domains International, and congratulations! You are about to join countless thousands of real people in more than 180 countries worldwide who are living their dreams and building their own income for life. Whether you would like to earn an extra $1,000 a month, $1,000 a week, or a long-term six-figure income, you are about to be presented with the tools you'll need to turn that desire into reality. In fact, if you can simply hand someone a copy of this video, or even send them a short email which invites them to view this video online, then you have everything it takes to be successful in this business. You see, in this short video, we will quickly explain how you can leverage the power of duplication to provide a solid and dependable lifelong income for yourself that has the potential to grow with each passing month. In a moment, we'll explain how you can partner today with one of the fastest growing companies on the planet with no investment or risk whatsoever. We will not ask you to invest a single penny, or peso, or euro, yen, or franc. And frankly, those are just some of the reasons why this fantastic income opportunity is spreading like wildfire worldwide. So sit back and relax. What you're about to see and hear has the potential to change your life for the better forever if you want it to. Our company is Global Domains International, or GDI, and we were recently ranked number 37 on Inc. magazine's list of the top 500 fastest growing companies in the USA. Our founders have also been featured in Entrepreneur magazine and the covers of the business sections of major USA newspapers. Some of the world's largest and most respected companies have become our clients. You might recognize some of them. Recently, our internet website activity has surpassed the traffic rankings of some of the world's largest corporate giants, including AT&T, Visa, and General Electric, as rated by the premier website traffic ranking service, Alexa.com. What does all this mean to you? It means that you have the opportunity to become partners with a well-founded, well-grounded, money-generating company that will change your life forever. Founded in 1999, Global Domains International was granted permission by the United States Department of Commerce to become the exclusive worldwide registry for all .ws website domain names registered on planet Earth. So what is a domain name? It's quite simple, really. A domain name is a human-readable website address. Since computers talk to each other with numbers only, and we humans are much more comfortable using words than numbers when it comes to remembering addresses, the founders of the internet many years ago wisely decided to set up something called the domain name system, which associates every numerical website address with an easy-to-remember name. Instead of having to memorize a long number like this, it's much easier to remember a name such as yahoo.com or google.com to access a website, isn't it? Currently, most of the active domain names worldwide are .com. Originally intended to serve the commercial markets, .com stands for commercial. Today, there's a new alternative, which is appropriate for all types of websites, .ws. WS stands for website, and over the next few years, you will see more and more .ws website addresses. Now, even though our company has been tremendously successful for 6 years, and we have thousands of customers in every country with internet access, ask yourself a question. Until watching this video, had you heard of Global Domains International? Odds are that you hadn't. That's because our global market penetration is still less than 1%. So your timing could not possibly be better. If you have already heard of GDI and .ws, then don't wait another day. Start today for free and ride the biggest wave the internet has ever seen. You are here at the beginning of what is promising to be a worldwide phenomenon. Today, there are nearly 1 billion people with online access, and globally, that number is increasing by tens of thousands per day. In the next decade, industry experts are predicting that there will be more than 500 million domain names and websites active globally. The numbers are truly staggering. Let's discuss how you make money with Global Domains International. As we just mentioned, the GDI product is only $10 per month. And that includes your domain name, your email accounts, a website builder system, and hosting your site live on the web. That's less than 34 cents per day to have this incredible internet identity package and a home business opportunity with the potential to earn you thousands of dollars each and every month, as many of our representatives are already realizing, even though our opportunity is still in its infancy. Of this $10 per month package, GDI pays out 50% of it in commissions. Like many affiliate programs on the internet, our business opportunity is a multi-layer program. So you earn not only when someone you personally tell about our product purchases it, but also when they go and tell others about it, and so on, for a full 5 generations of sales. You'll earn $1 per month for each of your personal referrals, and $1 more per month for each sale made in your 5-layer business organization. Now, $1 per month might not sound like much, but when you're being paid on the work others do, your income can grow very quickly, especially when your product is something that is delivered instantly via the internet and paid for monthly by people worldwide. One of the most powerful aspects of our business model is that it harnesses the power of duplication. At the end of this presentation, we'll ask you to sit down at a computer and start your free trial with Global Domains International. Depending on what action you take from that point on, the person who referred you to this video could soon be profiting hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month as a result of the new business that you generate by handing others your own copies of this video or by using our simple online marketing tools to spread the word about GDI. For example, if you were able to tell just 5 people about GDI who became paying customers, and those people each did the same, and so on, you would have a network of 3,905 people. You will earn 10% or $1 per month per person on the entire billing volume of that network of people, which equates to $3,905 per month residual ongoing income to you. Also, with our program, there is no limit to the number of people you may personally refer. Many of our representatives have directly referred hundreds of other people, and that is the surest way to maximize your income with GDI. In fact, one person can be worth many thousands of dollars to you over time if they seriously promote the opportunity to others and build an enormous network for you. As you can see, by increasing the number of people you introduce to GDI yourself, your income can quickly become quite substantial. By the way, the figures shown here are being generated by our online income calculator, which you can access on the web right away and experiment with at your own convenience. That is the true power of duplication. Our business is about leveraging your time and effort. Years ago, J. Paul Getty, who created one of the world's greatest fortunes, said the following: "I would rather make 1% on the efforts of 100 people than 100% on my own efforts." So, I have another question for you as it relates to GDI. If you had a choice between earning all the money on the work you do yourself or earning 10% on the work of hundreds or even thousands of other people, which would you choose? If you said 10% on the work of hundreds or thousands of others, then you are already visualizing the power of duplication. And with GDI, you'll have the chance to refer people no matter where they live on the planet. Just think about the power of a globally and instantly deliverable product. You might introduce someone in your country to GDI who knows lots of people in other countries, and they can do the same, and so on, all the while building your network and increasing your personal income. Remember, there are no geographical boundaries, and the speed at which your personal 5-layer network can grow may shock you. As a result of easy duplication, many of our representatives are earning hundreds of dollars per month at the end of their first month, and many thousands per month within a few short months. And they're spending more quality time with their families and doing the things they enjoy most in life. If you need a real-life example of the power of duplication, consider how often a simple recommendation you've made to a friend has earned someone else hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Have you ever seen a great movie and later told several friends to go see it? If they enjoyed the movie too, how many people do you think they may have told about it? And how many of those people told others? One simple recommendation you make to a friend or anyone else for that matter can produce hundreds or even thousands of dollars in profit. But it's usually profit for someone else, In this example, a movie studio. The point is, you already have the skills needed to make money with Global Domains International. You're already an expert at enthusiastically telling people about good products and services. What you're probably not used to is getting paid for it. But why not? And it's important to remember one thing with GDI. In our business, you won't be selling anything. This short movie does all that work for you. Your job is just to show this movie to as many people as you can by simply loaning them a copy of it or playing it for them at home or even on your computer. If you're interested in earning some fast money, we also have weekly cash bonus contests you can participate in, and one of our bonus pools is reserved for only new representatives of our company. So it's entirely possible to earn hundreds of dollars your very first week before you spend even a single penny. It would be easy to spend hours talking with you about all the possible uses of the GDI product, the hundreds of benefits you'll get from working for yourself in the comfort of your own home, and the many reasons why making the decision to become a GDI representative is one of the most important things you can do for yourself and your family. But the best way for you to find out is to see it for yourself. If you missed out on the .com boom years ago, which created some of the world's wealthiest people, then this is your chance to cash in on the growing and global demand for domain names and web services, as well as the incredible demand for alternative sources of personal income worldwide. The internet is growing like never before, with more than 1 billion people expected to be online soon. Will you be the next one to take action and stake your claim to your income for life? I sincerely hope so. On behalf of the entire team here at Global Domains International, I want to thank you for taking the time to learn about the GDI opportunity today. We look forward to having you in our global family for many years to come.